Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to send a video to a chat on the Instagram app for PC with the new update. It's a very simple process, but if you've never tried it before, or if you're just getting used to the latest version of the desktop app, this guide will make it crystal clear. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar layout with the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. From there, click on the Messages tab. This is the section where all your conversations are stored, and it's where you'll go anytime you want to chat with someone directly. Next, scroll through your list of conversations and find the specific chat where you'd like to send the video. Click on that chat to open it. At this point, you should see the usual chat window with all your previous messages. Now, look at the bottom of the chat box. You'll see an icon that looks like a small photo, or it may say Add Photo or Video. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll choose the file you want to send. A window will pop up allowing you to browse through your computer. Navigate through your folders until you find the video you'd like to send. Once you've chosen the right one, click on Open. You'll see the video appear inside the chat box, ready to go. To finish off, simply click on Send. Your video will then be delivered into the conversation, and the person on the other end will be able to view it right away. And that's all there is to it. Sending a video through Instagram on PC has been made super straightforward with this update. Just open the app, head into your messages, select the chat, choose your video, and send it off. This step-by-step approach ensures you can share videos quickly and easily without any confusion. Whether it's a funny clip, a memory, or something important, sending it through Instagram chat only takes a few clicks.